In this video, we are going to discuss about the circular reference in the Delphi. So, how the circular reference come and how to avoid such problem. So, first thing is I have created a two unit in this project. One is the circular reference one unit, and the other is the circular reference two. Right? What I'm going to do, just I will compile it and see it. Right? It is not giving the any kind of error. Right? Because there is no reference of the unit 1 into unit 2 as of now and unit 2 into the unit 1, right? So what I'm going to do it now, I will give this unit circular reference unit 1 reference into the unit 2 into the interface part of the user section, right? So that I can use the unit 1 class members, right, through the object. Fine. So now I have give what I have done. I have given the unit 1 reference into the unit 2 of the interface user section. Perfect. Now I will try to compile it and I hope it will compile successfully. Yes. Now what we do it when you try to give why suppose if you want to access the unit 2, right, class member into the unit 1. So what we will do generally, we give the reference of the unit 2 into unit 1 interface section and usage part, right? Interface section usage part. So here I am giving the unit 2 reference into the unit 1 interface usage, right? Now when I will try to compile, it will give us the error, right? Compile it. See, it is giving us the error. The circular unit reference of reference to use circular reference to, right? So here it's giving the circular reference system. So how to overcome? So we can't. The first thing is we can't give the. Suppose we have the two unit one and unit two, right? We can't give the unit two reference into the unit one interface section of the users class, right? And unit one in reference into the unit two, right, of the interface users class, right? So what we need to do to overcome with this problem? First thing is if I give the unit one reference into the unit two in the implementation users section, right? So we can see we have the users in two section, either interface or implementation. So now I am giving the unit one reference, okay, into the unit two into unit two in the implementation part of the user section, right? Now if I try to compile, it will compile perfectly. Yep. Similar way, unit two reference we can give, right, into the unit 1 into implementation part of the user section, right? So in that way we can overcome the with the circular reference problem, or either we can give the unit. I'm giving the previous stage this code, right? So I'm giving the unit 1 reference into the unit 2 interface part and unit 2 reference into the instead of the interface user section, I will just give the reference into the implementation part users section, right? So in this way also we will not get the compile time error, that is the circular reference issue, right? So now in that way we can resolve the problem.